Welcome to Slinger CAD. This is tutorial number 5 on CATIA line tool. In this video, we are going to see how to access line tool, types of line tool, difference between profile and line tool. I can access line tool from profile toolbar. Here is my line tool. Or else there is one more way. Go to insert, go to profile, go to line. Now, as I told in the previous video, we have to create everything in your first quadrant and take this as your origin point. So for example, I will take this line command and I'll just place it and I will just drag it. So this is line command. Now if you want to access your sketch tools from this line command, just right click on here. Go to sketch tools. Now if you access line command, you will have the pop-up menu and here you can give your start point. I'll take positive 80 in H and 16V, length of 50 mm at an angle of 90 degree, give enter. So you will have a line command. Okay, so this you can change. Just give 60 and enter. Fine. Either you can go by this way or you can directly take a line command and just drag it. So this is simple line, or we can call it as normal line. Then you have infinity line. Infinity means it has no start point and end point. So from here, same way you can derive its start point. You can derive its start point, but it will not be a start point. It will be the middle point. Okay. So for example, same 10 comma 10. Give enter. So here you can see 10 comma 10. It will be a middle point. Okay. And if you want a horizontal line, you can get this horizontal. If you want a vertical line, you can get a vertical line. And even if you want a inclined line or with an angle, you can get it. Press enter. Now we will see how to create bitangent line. For this you need two curves. So if I want tangency between this and this, I can get it. Or else between this point and this point, I can get it using bitangent line command. Now this is bisect line. So for that you require two bisecting elements here. So I'll just select this. Select the two lines from which I need a bisect line, and it will also be an infinity line. If I want a line normal to a curve, so this is my curve. If I want a line normal to a curve, I can get on both sides. Fine. So this is line command. There is one more command from profile tool, that is axis. So if you want to convert anything into axis, you can just press it. Okay. If you want to convert this line into axis line, you can. The selected line will be a transformed into axis line. Do you want to transform it? Give yes. Fine. So the axis line is used as a reference line, or it might be used as a center line. So which you don't want to reflect in your model. So this is how line is being created in CATIA. Now the major difference between profile and line is not continuous. It's not continuous line, and you can't create curves But in profile you can create curves, and also you can be a continuous line creator. Your model can be a continuous. So this profile view is very easy to handle and very useful. So this is the difference between line and profile. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe our channel SlingerCAD for further updates.